Check out this Ram 2018 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include dual rear wheels included, tires LT235/80R17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel argent clearance lamps, tire pressure monitoring, delete 17 steel spare wheel, 6,000-pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, bright white clear coat, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 touchscreen display, overhead console, GPS antenna, input, temperature and compass gauge, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, remote USB port, charge only, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121. 1-year Sirius XM radio service, quick order package 2FA Tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel